Hmm.
Hello and welcome to the dining room of the sunny side. I am super excited because this is my first unboxing video. I have not done something like this yet. And I want to just give a thank you to Hipdot for sending me this new release. I haven't opened it yet and I've been staring at it since yesterday like, oh my god, I have to open this. It's so cute. So we're gonna open it together and see what this release is all about. Hipdot's brand new collab is with Reese's. So cute. I can't wait. I mean, you can't even tell the difference between like the candy and the makeup. It's it's adorable. So there are two palettes, a lip balm duo and a brush duo. So I'm gonna start with the brushes and work my way over to the palettes. They all come in these like super adorable candy wrapper situations. I love all of the details. It's just like the ingredients list that you'd see on candy is, we know there isn't a more perfect blend than chocolate and peanut butter, but the Hipdot Reese's double-ended brush duo will make you look a close second. I just love this. So here we go. I also don't even want to open it. It's just too cute. Oh my goodness, these are adorable too. So the double-ended brushes are the cutest. These are synthetic brushes. It's a little bright in here, but I thought the lighting would be nice. But anyway, yeah, double-ended brushes. There's like a nice pencil brush, a smaller detail kind of smudger brush, a fluffy brush. Excited to use these. Now the Tinted Lip Balms are up next. Guys, I seriously can't get over the packaging. This is insane. What a cute collab. Just looks like straight up delicious candy. Oh my god. These are just too cute. They are so adorable. This collection is such a throwback to me. Like, it reminds me of the makeup in like the 90s, early 2000s, like kind of like a Lip Smackers or something, but it's so much classier. I think these, okay, so they're scented, but it's nothing overwhelming, which I'm excited about. It's just this really subtle peanut butter moment. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and show you these swatched on my hand. They're just like a really subtle peanut butter color. Got kind of the peanut butter and the chocolate moment. So that's this one. And then that's this one. Next we have the First Press Pigment palette. So this one is the Peanut Butter and White Chocolate palette. There are 6 shades in here. So cute. Oh my goodness. Stop. This is the cutest collection. I can't even get over it. So these are animal test, cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, mineral oil-free, and they've got a shelf life of 2 years. So we're just gonna, this is pretty. Oh, I love it. So you got white chocolate, indulge, creamy, confection, snack time, and treat. I live for Hipdot's pressed glitters, by the way. They have the best pressed glitter formula. But there you have the white chocolate palette. And last, and hopefully not least, this is just the classic peanut butter cup palette. Honey, you better stop it, Hipdot. I can't handle how cute this is. Oh my god, it's just so cute. Candy, peanut butter, tasty, sweet, perfect, and milk chocolate. This is a color story that I can really get into. I love this. Warm, gorgeous neutrals, pops of color, that nice like chocolatey glitter. I love a brown glitter. You don't see them a whole lot. So this is a really beautiful glitter color. I cannot wait to dive into these. What do you guys think? This is fun. I have a feeling this collection is gonna just zoom off the shelves, the virtual shelves. Yeah. There you have it. The brand new Reese's by Hipdot collection. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. It comes with this, you can do the full set for, I believe it's $64, and you get the whole shebang. I will leave in the description box below the pricing for individual items as well as the full collection. And you know what? I think I am just going to set up my makeup station and get ready to put some of this on my face. I'm so excited! Thank you, Hipdot.
Goodbye.
You always said that you would comfort me with everything around us collapsing. You even said that you'd stick up for me. Well, I feel it when you're lying, and I fear that you've stopped trying. Thought twice, but it wasn't enough. You cannot earn my trust. Keep talking if you must. I forget that you were wrong. No job can last this long. It's time that we move on. I believe I set your world in reverse. Wasn't a danger even at my worst. Trusted you, but now I'm paying for it. You're so much working, baby. I quit. To say that you would die for me. Manipulation is a crime, you see. I didn't ask you to explain a thing, but you tell stories like Stephen King. Well, I'm forgiven, and don't forget that I need you since the day we met. As you can see, I'm over it. first said your world in reverse. Wasn't a danger even at my worst. I trusted you, but now I'm paying for it. You're so much work and baby, I quit. I quit. To the nines for my interview. Had everything that was right for